This is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, and I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about this. So in this video I'm going to show you the dynamic range, contrast and brightness, how well it copes for the Samsung S9 phone as well as the Huawei P30 and the Nokia 7 Plus. It will be coming up. This is of course Greta Thunberg, or Thunberg as you would say in Danish. This is a mural of her in Hillerød, the capital region of Copenhagen, Denmark. I don't know why we've got her here, but it's some sort of tribute to her. Of course, she's a climate activist, young climate activist. I want to go out and save the world, Daddy, can I please? Yes, but if you gotta do so, you gotta do it in a dramatic fashion.
This is all wrong. I shouldn't be up here.
Gotta do it in a dramatic fashion.
I should be back in school on the other side of the ocean.
Gotta do it in a dramatic fashion.
Yet you all come to us young people for hope. How dare you?
Greta, I appreciate your effort, but if you really want something to talk about in the environment, you gotta talk about the Icelandic ice sheet core samples, which shows you, for instance, like in just 1 year, you had a climate change for about 8 degrees, and there you can talk about climate change and some real cataclysmic effects. So what does that have to say about sea levels, for instance? Well, it has to say we're talking about like 30 meters of sea level rise within a couple of days when the ice sheet melts very fast because of meteors strikes on the North Atlantic ice sheet shelf back in the day around 10,000. Well, 11 to 12,000. It's called the Younger Dryas period if you want to know more about it. So that's where we have all our flooding stories about from various religions. But that's just what I want to say. So Greta, you should talk about that also when you're worried about the climate today. I'm just telling you as your mental father, or like just an annoying person.
And you are still not mature enough to tell it like it is.
But she won't listen to me at all. She's got to go out there and proclaim all her views and stuff and cry in front of the UN.
You have stolen my dreams and my childhood with your empty words.
I'm her father. I feel I should have perhaps taken a bit more care of her when she was younger. But this is Brian, your tech friend. Check it out. Check out my channel, subscribe, and have a very nice day. A year.
Entire ecosystems are collapsing. We are in the beginning of a mass extinction.
Then you just talk about some small change in climate as we are experiencing right now. We are now living in a smørhul, as you would say in Denmark. And it's called like, we have it so cozy now. It's the best time, it's the most stable time of the planet for many thousands of years.
How dare you!
Greta, you're an inspiration for the world. We need you, but please talk about the catastrophic and cataclysmic events that also have happened in our Earth's lifetime. And if you do so, that will mean a lot more to me. Greta Thunberg, she is my daughter.
The science has been crystal clear. How dare you continue to look away?